Dehydrated dull skin versus lit from within with PCA skin HA boosting serum. Ever wake up looking like you slept in the desert even though you moisturized twice? That was me last winter. My skin so tight it hurt to smile, foundation cracking by 10 a.m. I almost canceled a client lunch because I looked 10 years older overnight. Drop "been there" if your skin has ever betrayed you before coffee. That desperate feeling when nothing you layer actually hydrates. Skin drinks everything and still looks thirsty. Flaking, tight, angry. You're scared to use retinol because it'll make it worse. But imagine a serum that actually keeps your skin plump for 24 full hours. No more emergency misting in the bathroom stall. I found PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum completely by accident while hunting for something to save my face from retinoid winter. Multi-way HA that hits every layer, surface, deep, and actually teaches your skin to make its own moisture. Niacinamide that calms redness on contact. Ceramides that lock everything in like a vault. HA Pro Complex that keeps working long after you forget you applied it. True story, morning of my birthday shoot, woke up looking like crumpled paper from a late night edit session, pumped this on at 6:45 a.m., did my makeup at 7:15, photographer kept saying, "Your skin looks insane today," and I almost told her I'd aged backward overnight. By 10 p.m. after dinner, drinks, wind, still zero tight lines. It didn't just save the day, it made me look like I actually sleep. 8 months later, and my skin still hasn't had a dry day, even on 14-hour flights. My esthetician now uses my photos as her after example for dehydrated clients. A top dermatologist I follow said this is the only HA serum she trusts post-laser because the ceramides actually repair barrier damage while the HA plumps. One mom in the reviews said her teenage acne scars look softer and her makeup finally stops separating by lunch. My personal favorite moment, caught my reflection at 4 p.m. after forgetting to moisturize over it, still looked airbrushed. Biggest objection I see is another expensive serum. Fair, except one pump morning and night has lasted me 4.5 months and replaced 3 other products I used to layer. Thousands of us have quietly made this our "if I could only keep one thing" product, because once your skin learns to stay hydrated on its own, going back to tight and flaky feels like self-sabotage. Quick, comment your skin type if you're ready to fire your old hydrators. Choosing PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum isn't adding another step. It's finally giving your skin what it's been screaming for. Thousands of dry skin girlies, retinol warriors, and makeup lovers have already made it their holy grail and never looked back. I left the exact bottle I use in the description and pinned comment. Go check the reviews, especially the "I look 10 years younger" ones. Stay till the end for the layering order that makes it work even harder. Your plump era starts now.